Omanjumurire nande nigo jaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabarumaro bakarongo kwari ne asemesa ya mangana maya iringo manyina na arandete gwateka kuruliaga kiete goika boniga no semerikwane na nigo endete gutwara litgo ligiya na ndekero orengete gujikori kumba korera chinga kyao chabane oramanyana arandete gwateka ime nesko ya Gusii ekrobono obomboli bwa simyulo moja wa Kenya wasingere othewe na litgo lyangyo Alamisi na Ijumaa uikukurubikana koba sense ya Kenya ekaraba endete komoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza anene ekaraba nyaraba ukwana yuri tukule kuruwasi county ya Nairobi ekaraba rawa na Kalonzo Musyoka matakarua hamo nabaraibande abara somo bwasimyo lomoja wa Kenya ingoti na kwala senjere kwa juta jinse jiango kuboli obenenje guikomaliana na wana utobwati sensemo ya mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital kwa sensemo ya YouTube na botonyora Ndizi TV News onyajingaki about tweet at Ndizi TV News kwenda karenga likiao igurimero birito na kwetoma gwetera senamba era skrini igurabu Joshua Auta na erora sensemeri umurwe mayelio karabigari nyanja makwena kunago chira serio ya monechi bicha asomgo cha sole na inche Brighton Makori. Ayo Chinsa Ikomi wanoni kutokana jaga kuruwase bunge ya kitutu jaje noti asebono abantu abanyarire bakonyorobo konyi anene abagotukorwase nseme yokorwase kyombe gose korwase ekyombe kemo ekigere insi yeria buri lya Choshwa Nyarenchi Foundation uyu banyara babo ikabwa nseme yanene na kurobo konyi au gochi asabagotwabu anene abarekana buna bange babo nigo chinda kigendete kubaichorera nseme tetrarana ekengese ekya tomirwe anene karo dipon asanya endete gotobwatiri roboti oruo Kutoka senjera ubikano ikoragense ya Makorende uratumire kengese kyo roboti oru.
Samarieta ngoro kuchagisoni maoya kino mutureti wekenyole ya karisera ansi konge sabrukese na abango nyagoeta maeme chime singo kolegasi nganyomo nginorende chinda chimuriete ngenje muna mumuroje onkarange naira nimbiya muno sebinto mwamokoreire arore maturesi burangeti indagera chiago chakuria ngo mitinyebere
ni chinde cha matuko ndabe no ndekero ngo chaige na nyabona nyore tari ni chindeji na temete kora moya kero mamu mwabari moya gante muyi chinda ngatema kora moya lakini nchiri koera bono beiro komenya gaiga tanyore tubwo yagende tanyorete mwana bono yaikire baka bono chindeji chabiru buruira sari tebiri mbya mona singinjo mwachire mwamukonyire nduchi mwamoiro muito mwamoiro burangeti chisabuni mwamoira mafuta mwamoira at least kire gento mwamoire bono gonda kengambiya muno tianya sae au yo we foundation ye chinguru nenda moyo moyo yuga achakire iga agendere gokonya abandi takonyo yugika kuri ndakonye na abandi boigo ngorwa se kyombeke mugikuru kunga Choshwa Nyarenchi Foundation kyombeke ni kyo konya abantu bari banse batari kwinyara rero twacha se kinyuri kigaskonge twachaga iga twa mwakali yo twa musibi twa mwakili yo twa bwate ande twa moletera shopping twasamba ibintu abwate nyombe bibe yabwate chinda twamuletera mattress twamuletera burangeti twamuletera n'ikindagera kuratumya sama tukatari make egera chabere chinguru nera cha anyale ko bagakwenda kwiriri ega tole chi health worker etokore tukurenga charity work tuli wakana ikintu ya twachage tukuru chinkoro chitu some of us kutole college we used to volunteer okole gasi onekere twasoka isiko tukachake oyo charity foundation oberega ku support y'abantu but it's something kirwete nkoro toko konya abantu baita sebinyuro full
mubunge West Mugirango Steve Mugaka ni bwana nyarega kobori abanyanyimbo korwase county ya Nyamira kwene kuna nkorenda bare ebinto asensemeyo anenekero abo orumubori bwasimyo moja orobereti kurubekana litko liankyo ka okwana se ensemeri ya Uru Garden se county Nyamira osasegetie kyo ka Uru Garden se county Nyamira anekranyaraga kumerana neji team ao chiji sekende janyara chiko bwa chigosoli karawa chikwenda sensemo ya regional sensemo ya Siaya ni hobono mubungo oyu amochiri bali bakorobekana asogosali ebinto ao asense ya Kenya bagoni adena se county Nyamira bintu bita keriko sareka ekyagera nigo tutegetuske ochibosyo kimagendero bagoni ganyara ka wasioli ningi kyagerete ere akakera finance bill ekura karate abunera niga yakerete ekyagera nige bwata mabaga yechigasi ochiase amatukare busyo
Katika hii budget inapingwa. Niko na 500 million shillings ya kuanza industrial and aggregation park kule Sironga. Itoe ajira kwa hawa watoto. Niko na huko ndani 100 million shillings ya 110 million shillings ambao ninaenda kupelekea walimu na board of management. Na ndio nawauliza ebinto bichire megabu omagonte binga ngake no ngatindele tibinte. Lakini kama uko na lalama zako alafu naanza kuharibu vitu gaki igotobwate pare ye moyoka yirami ase constituency kumyoka koruke birgo yatirimboka yaenda buke bono naringo struggle onyore lami ende goetaga shibuli etown yerorekane naboro nanye karigo katobwate mwanchera machambasi acha aanza guchito gotongie pare yo next time nilio momuliro mwato sie kitituke biasara abagina bari gocha konyore tongoro bakanera abana befisi kwaba kwami watu sieki rero nonda ali bagamogo sieki abagina abo inchumo sieki nje sibino mogaka nje nchoriro mochumbe wachana na wanabiashara wa Nyamira wafanye biashara zao. Na kuuliza Madam DCC uambie County Commander what this Nyamira tunalipa kodi yetu, we must be protected, na yule analeta uhalifu there is nobody special. Ikiwa ni mimi sheria ifanye kazi yake.
Ase jinga kechumo bungo yo ni ganyaraga ko omoyo abagosori kurwanene kurwa sebunge ya West Mugrango anene bari beta na uchikogosori asensemo ya Siaya asensemo ya regional secretary abuna erebu no mubunge bwebunge yini gabegete miroberio yo sira chigosori no inu bwagachwe biti asensemeyu.
And I want to encourage you, tukienda Siaya mumeshinda mkafika hapa bila mjumbe. Sasa uko na mjumbe. Please aim at going to the nationals. Kwenda kuwajengea sports facility which will be the best in the republic. Ninajituma. Na hiyo mwalimu ameniuliza ya basketball hapa police station. Hiyo tumefanya MOU na OSPD na county commander. Hiyo uwanja tutaichezea before Christmas. Hiyo uwanja itakuwa tayari ya basketball and volleyball.
Kubatikana nukurubikana ukugwanyara ko korekana sense ya itu ya Kenya ubukura wana mubwasi miuro moja boigekero barareti bunari itukolyankyo aramisi na ichuma nigo kurubikana kuracho korekana sense ya Kenya bono nigo yairire none sukuru gotwaro botutukanuna na kino na bana barachigo ikasi chisukuru ejikorende sukuru yemo gose sukuru ya Alkin Academy nigo bono yacha kiro muroberio na kibarachi gosomia bana senjira yekerero na babanka ekromono aderina nigo bagochikorobeli na baiboli ende banyara bagotumeka enjira yekerero gosima garde na sum erinda bana banyare bakonyora masoma i France bagaka no motoneni bweskuru eyo ya Alken onyaraka kwa nayo.
Tangu maandamano yaanze muda huu masomo imeathirika sana, na sisi kama shule ya Hurricane siku ya leo tumeweka mikakati ya kuongea na wazazi, at least kila mzazi awe na gadget ambayo ita access Zoom. Tutakuwa tukifunza wanafunzi wetu virtual through the managers of classes. Tuta-advise wazazi wetu as quick as possible as from tomorrow to make sure that they have gadgets so that we can arrange a program of virtual learning in order for us to achieve our objectives in syllabus coverage. And as you are aware, national exams are actually some weeks to be.
Omoteneni oibano bweskuru eyo ya Alken Academy ni wanandanyare kakote abegoro yo murobiri CBC atate no murobiri yo ni gore omuyamono asingenje ni gonyare ko konya borokiwa ase skuru eyo no nyino kwereki gorokya ebyego biribwate aya ni gagocha magiga ya bana ase skuru eyo gokora buya ase kigosori kya matera gose music ibano ya bairera bagatambuke cyararo asoje kwenda sensemo ya nationals asensemeri ya Nyeri ekorba saberetina mbacho korabu ya kolende ayonsi kolenganera ni goretirwe no muroberio o CBC.
Basically mambo ya CPC is all about talent nurturing. It is not like the other system of whereby wanafunzi walikuwa confined, wanafunzi tu darasani kasi ya darasa peke yake. CPC inagusia kukuza mwanafunzi kwa kile kipaji ambacho ataweza kumsaidia maishani. Ndio maana tunatilia mkazo katika mambo ya music, katika mambo ya drama, katika mambo ya debating club, katika mambo ya journalism, katika mambo ya scouts na vipaji vingine ambavyo watoto wataweza kuwa navyo. Ni challenge kubwa sana. Na tukizingatia kwamba wanafunzi wetu wengi ni wanafunzi wa changa. Tuko na challenge kubwa kwa mambo ya school fees, kwa sababu kwa vile tunaelewa kwamba maisha ni magumu, hatujasukuma wazazi wetu walete school fees, lakini kidogo ambacho wanapata wanajaribu sana kulipa.
Bono nigo jidede Chinsa ngeigo keraba Kenya bachukuma gose litukolia nkwenda bare okurobekana ayani gachire kerobo mbuli bwa simyuro moja bwarali na kwene kibene buna abanyanyimbo barayi bali barasoma bwa simyuro moja bakoragwa na matakarwa Kalonzo Musyoka amono murayi bo mobura ira murodinga nigo banyarete bakorwa abanyanyimbo asibona bataramanye kirenga gya serikali Kolende ingana yasomwa na Eugene Wamarwa nigo bono banyari bateba barabo esabari yabo yo kurobekana nigero genderete buna baroberetyo abwankyo.
On developments around our plans for protests that run from tomorrow through Thursday to Friday this week. Against the backdrop of the protests, the Kenya Kwanza administration has withdrawn all security previously attached to the leadership of Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Coalition Party. Everyone associated with this party and the ongoing protests, including the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, the Honorable Martha Karua, the leaders of minority, and a host of Azimio governors and members of parliament have had their security withdrawn. This withdrawal of security completes a process that began weeks ago with scaling down and in some cases removal of the security cover of several of the party's leaders in parliament. We are making this disclosure not because we are desperate for state protection. We are aware that millions of Kenyans are exposed to danger every day, and our lives are not in any way more special than that.
Nonyina boni go batebire na kuruna bakurwa abanyanyimbo tari baraboba na gukwanira abakenya kolende ne libagania abakenya bamanye buna mbabwati banyanyimbo wikaboniga nande ekatipa nigo yanjirete buna bali bakabeire abakoli imirimo beserikali buna umurayi bwo mubwasimyuro moyo yobete prime minister abo igona Kalonzo Musyoka oyobete umukonyi bwo murayi bwense batakire kwegwa abalindi.
These developments are taking root in our country as we speak, and the withdrawal of security is part of that development. So Kenyans should not say later that they did not see a dictatorship taken off in the country. The leaders whose security has been withdrawn had them by virtue of positions held in previous regimes. As former Prime Minister, and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga was the second Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, and former Vice President, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. Honorable Raila Odinga and Honorable Stephen Musyoka are entitled to round-the-clock protection by the state, not as a favor, but by provisions of our laws. It is expected that a decision is taken to maintain, enhance, reduce the security cover of officers based on intelligence about threats, perceptions faced by this public.
Zenzemo yaye umurayo wahiba karonzo musyoka boigora somo bubwasi miolo moja wani Kenya nigamotire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nene kratebuna ya serikali niyo yarosiri ekiombe ekikerengete kubasunyunta abarayibali bomobwasi mio romoja.
And detailed information about OSU. We know its members wear civilian clothes. They travel in groups of 5 people from one ethnic community. They are heavily armed with lethal weapons. They are better facilitated in terms of logistics and transportation, remuneration, communication, and weapons and the country's official security agencies. This is a group that last week killed people in Kamukunji, Mlolongo, and Jogoo roads. They fired at people from unmarked green, black, gray, silver, red, and white, mostly Subaru vehicles. They also fired from one gray Toyota Succeed KBD 612G. Each of the 5 occupants of each of the vehicles was from one ethnic community, as has been stated before. These vehicles are always parked at the traffic police headquarters near the Kenyatta Hospital, at the Anti-Terror Police Unit, and Nairobi Regional Headquarters. We restate that only mission of OSU squad is to assassinate or grievously.
Iwanon hararinga ye Chinsa Ikomi ko ninyonage koragense Amayia wan marwaba nojiganyora yuamo na mange na chikore tugo chaso nefrino sera karandete ko yarigania ikera joko retera ayuamo na mange nyasaye ga konganjira na yagwanjire tromurane na ye mambia asomoroberi bwensakia tumayenga kiense ekogenda koneni otwabotena na chosho utakurwa sense medio munwe monyererio apigari nyanja mwene kunago cheira senjira yerio gyamo nechibicha asomugo cha sole na nje Brighton Makori.